Hello there, I'm estate planning and wealth preservation attorney Dan Perry, and I want to thank you for clicking on the link and coming to this webinar. Now, if you're like many families that I speak with every day, you have New Year's resolutions. Or perhaps you have New Year's resolutions from last year where you said you wanted to either update your estate plan or take care of that estate planning for the very first time. Perhaps you have an old will from when your children were young. Perhaps you have no planning at all and you're entering into your retirement years and know that you need something in place. Or perhaps you were married with young children and you need to take care of that planning for the very first time. However, if you're like many people that I know and I have a chance to speak with, you just don't know where to turn. There are just so many different options out there. There seems to be hundreds and hundreds of attorneys, and you don't know who to choose, and you can't tell the good ones from the bad ones. You want to make sure that you receive quality legal representation and legal advice when it comes to your estate and legacy planning. However, you also want to make sure that you're not overpaying for legal services and you're receiving a value on that investment. Now, whatever reason brought you here today, I know that you're in the right place, because I recently put together a webinar discussing the legal strategies that I use every day in my law practice, and I'm making it available absolutely free. These legal strategies I routinely charge between $950 and sometimes well over $10,000 to implement for clients every single day. However, I'm going to discuss many of these very valuable and important legal strategies absolutely free. Some of the strategies I'm going to talk about include the dangers of joint accounts and beneficiary designations, why putting your children's name on your bank accounts and title to your home is usually a terrible idea, what is probate and why you need to make sure that you avoid it, what is a living trust, how do I protect my assets from losing them to the nursing home, how to eliminate capital gains taxes on the sale of your home, how to create a lifetime income stream for your adult children from your retirement account after you're gone while protecting those assets from divorcing spouses, creditor claims, lawsuits, and other creditors, as well as much, much more. It's an extremely valuable and jam-packed webinar with a lot of useful information that I routinely charge thousands of dollars just to be able to give to people. Now, to register for this webinar, you just need to type in your email address, and it's going to take you to a registration page. I'm confident that this was going to be the most valuable 60 minutes that you will spend in your legal search. I'm doing this absolutely free. There is absolutely no obligation. I just want to make sure that this great information gets in your hands. I want to again thank you for coming to this webpage, clicking on the link that brought you here, and I'll see you on the webinar soon.